If you allow your user to upload image in your website, you probably want to resize the image size. To able to resize image in PHP, you need to install and enable GD extensions. I put a link on description on how to enable and install GD extensions. We want to resize the image because we want to save the disk space, transfer quicker to browser, and makes our website faster. For example, we want to resize this image. The original size of this image is 5 megabytes. To resize this file, we need to get the image information using get image size. We will able to get the weights, height, and the types. In this example, we will resize the image into 10% from the original weight and height, and then use image create through color to create a new image with a new weight and height, and then use image create from JPEGs to open the JPEG file we have, and then use image copy resize functions to resize the image. The first parameter is the destinations image, and then the second parameter is the source image, and this is the destination x coordinate, destination y coordinate, source x coordinate, and source y coordinates. In most cases, we will use 0 for all of them. Next parameter will be the new weight, the new height, and the original width and height. Now your image is resized. You have two options. If you want to return it directly to the browser, return a header content type and then convert the image type into mem type using the image type to mem type functions, and then call image JPEG and then image here. Also, if you want to return a PNG, you could try use here image PNG. Let's see the result. So as you see, this is the smaller image size. Now, if you want to save this into file, you could do something like this one. The second parameter is the file name, and then you could use file get content to return it to browser. You have a similar image size with an image stored in this image folder. If we see the file size, it will be a lot smaller, 5 meg compared to 500 kilobytes. So it is a lot smaller. It will save your disk space, it will transfer faster, and also make your website faster because displaying small image size. You could also using switch case operation here to process different type of image. For example, switch case type and then case image type JPEG. You will do this. If it's PNG and then default, you could throw an exception. Invalid image type, for example. That is how to resize image in PHP using GD extension. See you on the next video.